The My America First program extended, major changes in store for green LEED buildings, and a big jobs boost in store for Louisiana. That and more on Construction News Tracker, brought to you by Caterpillar and produced by ForConstructionPros.com. The Federal Highway Administration has extended to year's end its Buy America First program, which applies to non-federally funded utility relocation projects nationwide. In California alone, nearly $2 billion in highway expansion projects underway were affected. Now, the impact of the rule that requires domestically produced materials for utilities and relocation work be used in construction will take effect next January. Analysts are advising not to worry about the recent downturn in U.S. housing starts. That drop of 9.9% from May to June is seen as a hiccup because most of the drop occurs in the multifamily sector, while single-family housing starts remain on the upclimb. In an earlier edition of Construction News Tracker, we told you that Oregon was considering adoption of a vehicle miles tax. Well, it's now a done deal. The state legislature approved a voluntary road tax system that would assess a 1.5 cent per mile charge on 5,000 cars and light trucks based on miles driven, and issue an equivalent refund amount, thus replacing the traditional gas tax program. It takes effect in July of 2015, and again, it's voluntary. The world's green building program has been updated by adoption of LEED v4 ratings. The certification system requires all LEED projects achieve higher levels of building performance and environmental outcome, with over 54,000 projects nationwide. The decision, however, did have some fallout. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce supports a lobbying effort for the American High Performance Building Coalition, the lobbying operation of the American Chemistry Council, and firmly opposed to LEED's v4. That move resulted in Skanska, the international construction firm, resigning its membership after the company decided the chamber decision was one Skanska could not accept. Two major energy-related projects are on the horizon for Louisiana. Colorado-based Sundrop Fuels will build a $500 million plant at Alexandria to convert natural gas into gasoline, as well as a demonstration plant to make green gasoline from paper mill byproducts. Meanwhile, Sasol's massive ethane cracker and chemicals plant at Lake Charles is taking shape. Texas-based Fluor Corporation has been awarded the engineering and design contract for the $16 billion project set to begin operating by 2017. Thousands of construction jobs will result from both projects, as well as thousands more permanent site jobs. There's a spider at work in New York City, and it has nothing to do with a comic book character. The device provides suspended scaffolding and materials handling to construct a glass curtain wall on Towers 1 and 4 of the World Trade Center. Benson Industries of Portland is the glazing contractor on the project, and SafeWorks Spider is hard at work. A dozen swing stages are employed along with 20 and 30-foot modular platforms to raise some 3,000 glass panels into place and glaze them. With multiple lifts, the panels can be raised at 40 to 80 feet per minute and placed precisely, moving with the custom outrigger beam built just for the project. That glass panel installation job expected to be finished in September. And we wrap up this edition with the following. Good judgment comes from experience, and experience, well, that comes from poor judgment. This is Construction News Tracker, watching out for the industry that makes the world a better place, brought to you by Caterpillar and produced by ForConstructionPros.com. Reach us anytime at Facebook.com/ForConstructionPros or at Twitter, where you can leave a comment or share us with friends using #ConstructionNews, as the streaming web never ends.